This video will help you to remove the scary pop-ups and misleading alerts that are related to the site Dinto.click. Some people may see these strange pop-ups by the site Dinto.click. Keep in mind that these are fake alerts. They are not related to any decent security software. The pop-up claims to be somehow related to the well-known security application, but as I said, such pop-ups are totally fake and you should not interact with them. Don't click on any allow buttons. Don't install anything that these pop-ups suggest. As I said, they promote certain potentially unwanted software. What I recommend you to do is to carefully research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. These pop-ups may be associated with some adware on your computer. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose through the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start investigating your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.